working as an assistant professor in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today I am standing here for delivering the lecture about the factorial. This is very normal factorial topic which is normal in the permutation and combination topic. Firstly, we will talk about the definition of the factorial. The continued product of first n natural number. N natural numbers, product of n natural number means product of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n is denoted by symbol n factorial and read as factorial n. We will do the n factorial by the product of n natural number, which is product of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. This is called the factorial n. For example, let us take an example of 5 factorial. We will do the 5 factorial by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Means we will reduce and every time minus 1 by minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 from the number. 5 factorial means firstly we will multiply 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. This product of these is 120. That means 5 factorial is 120. In general you can say n factorial. N factorial means n reduce n by 1 and minus 1, then product it reduce n minus 1 by 1 and minus 2. Every time we will reduce every term to 1 and minus 3 and minus 4 and minus 5 up to n minus n, that is 1. So we notice here that n factorial is n minus 1 n minus 2 up to 2, 1. Okay, this is n factorial. Here is the theorem about n factorial. How can we say n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial? Look at here, n factorial is n means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n minus 1 n. N factorial is this, as we have discussed here. N factorial is n minus 1, n minus 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have reversed it here. Equal to. Now we will put n, last n to firstly. N into and same as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n minus 1. Okay, now look at here. This n is same and 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n minus 1 is become n minus 1 factorial, because this is the extension of n minus 1 factorial. So this is become n minus 1 factorial. So we will get n into n minus 1. Hence n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay. Note it that we define 1 factorial equal to 1 and 0 factorial equal to 1. Okay. Now we will discuss about how 0 factorial equal to 1. Look at here. 0 factorial equal to 1. How? Let n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, as we have discussed here that n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay. Now we have put n equal to 1. Here put in place of n equal to 1. 1 factorial equal to n. N is 1 into n is 1. 1 minus 1 is become 0 factorial. 0 factorial equal to 0 factorial. 0 factorial into 1 is 0 factorial. And here we have 1 factorial. And as you know that 1 factorial is equal to 1. So 1 factorial is become 1 and 0 factorial is 0 factorial. So that's why we have 0 factorial equal to 1. Okay, remember that always. 1 factorial is equal to 1 and 0 factorial is equal to always 1. Okay. Now I have discussed two examples here. Like example number 1 is 20 factorial. Divide by 18 factorial into 20 minus 18 factorial. How we will solve this example? Look at here, 20 factorial, 18 factorial, 3 factorial, multiply. As you know, 20 minus 18 is 2 factorial. So we have write 2 factorial equal to 20 factorial. We will expand it like the factorial as n factorial is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 up to 1. So we will expand the 20 factorial as 20. 20 minus 1 means 19. 20 minus 2 means 18. 18 factorial. We have stopped 18 factorial as from 18 factorial we will cut the 18 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 into 1. Now we will cut the 18 factorial to 18 factorial. Then and 2 cut it by 20. Then we will get the answer 120. Okay. This is our first example. Now we will do the second example like as 12 factorial minus 10 factorial divided by 9 factorial. Here 12 factorial means 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. Okay. We have expand here 12 factorial like 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. Minus 10 factorial is same as it is 10 factorial. Divide by same 9 factorial. Equal to, look at here carefully, 10 factorial and 10 factorial is common here. So we have common 10 factorial and here we have only 12 into 11 that is 132 minus 10 factorial have been common. So we have only 1 here, 1 divided by 9. Now 10 factorial same as it is 10 factorial. 132 minus 1 is become 131 divided by 9 factorial. Now here again we have expanded 10 factorial by 10 into 9 factorial. Now 9 factorial and 9 factorial have been cut into 131. Now 131 into 10 will become 1310. This is our answer. So we have discussed about the topic factorial and